There have never been more people trying to steal your crypto. That might sound a bit hysterical, but it's true. As crypto continues growing and becoming more mainstream, an increasing number of people are targeting crypto holders with sophisticated attacks. The good news is that defending yourself may be as easy as moving your crypto to a cold wallet for storage. These wallets aren't connected to the internet, so they can't be hacked unless you actually approve a hacker's transaction yourself. But with so many crypto wallets on the market, which one should you choose? We've put together this video to help you answer that question. Keep watching to find our top 5 cold wallets of 2023. Ledger Nano X. Ledger is one of the leading brand names in crypto cold storage. It's based out of France and recently released its latest model, the Ledger Nano X. This cold wallet is capable of storing over 1,800 cryptocurrencies. It also features a CC EL5+ certified secure element chip, which is one of the best in the industry. With this wallet, you get access to Ledger Live. This is a tool that makes it easier to manage your cryptocurrency on your computer or mobile device. There's even Bluetooth connectivity and a larger screen to make the wallet as easy to use as possible. The Nano X is expensive, but for many, it's worth the price. Trezor Model T. Alongside Ledger, Trezor is the other major brand name in the cold wallet industry. Its flagship offering is called the Trezor Model T. This wallet features top-of-the-line security and support for 1,000 crypto assets. The company has also been audited by third-party security researchers, and there have been no known instances of successful remote hacks with Trezor products. Trezor has a software platform called Trezor Suite that you can use as an app on your mobile device or desktop. This helps you manage your assets and make trades without having to move your cryptocurrency out of the cold wallet. The Trezor Model T is very similar to the Ledger Nano X in that it's a relatively expensive cold wallet with top-of-the-line security. It may be a good fit for you if that's what you're searching for. Engrave Zero. The Engrave Zero is a relatively new crypto hardware wallet that's starting to make waves. The company calls it the most secure crypto wallet ever made. We're not sure about that, but we do know that the wallet is 100% air-gapped and has a higher security certification than Ledger and Trezor. This next-generation crypto wallet features a touchscreen, biometric scanners, PIN protection, and even a light sensor. It's super secure, but hasn't been around as long as brands like Trezor and Ledger, which means there's still the potential for undiscovered vulnerabilities. KeepKey. If you're looking for a low-cost cold wallet for crypto storage, then KeepKey could be for you. It costs just $50 and supports about 40 coins. You don't get many features or expanded capabilities, but it'll do its job for keeping your crypto safe from hackers by removing the coins from the internet. One thing to note is that Ledger was able to extract PIN codes from KeepKey wallets, but this required having physical possession of the device. So, if someone stole your KeepKey wallet, there's a chance that they could hack it. But if you keep the wallet secure, it shouldn't be a problem. Ellipal Titan. Finally, we round out our list with the Ellipal Titan. This is a cold storage wallet that works in complete network isolation. It costs $169 currently and supports an impressive 10,000 plus crypto assets. The hardware wallet can also be used in conjunction with the Ellipal mobile app, which is available on both iOS and Android devices. All in all, the Ellipal Titan is another highly secure cold wallet that may be a fit for you if you want to be able to store niche crypto assets that aren't supported by the competition. Which cold wallet should you pick? All 5 of the cold wallets we talked about in this video can be good options for people with different goals. The Trezor and Ledger wallets have set the standard for the industry and are a good option for most people. But KeepKey is more affordable, and products like the Ellipal Titan and Engrave Zero have put a new twist on the cold wallet industry that may appeal to you. Do you already use a cold wallet to store your crypto? Which of the cold wallets from this video do you like best? Comment your answer below to let us know. If you're interested in learning more about crypto, the metaverse, and NFTs, make sure to obliterate the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching Metaverse Memo. Until next time.